Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to download Minecraft on your PC or laptop in 2026, especially the Java edition. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for minecraft.net, which is the official website of Minecraft. Now make sure that you are on the legitimate site to avoid the fake downloads. Once you are here, simply click on the option of buy now on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, it will show you all of the editions of the Minecraft games that you can download. So among these, look for the Minecraft Java and the Bedrock edition. When you click on it, it will ask you to select your platform. So among the given platforms over here, since we want to download it for our PC or laptop, simply select this first option. Now it is going to redirect you here on this purchase page where you need to select either the deluxe PC collection or standard PC edition. So whichever mode you want to download over here, you just have to select that, and they have also given you the cost that you need to pay for the edition. So after selecting your edition, click on the option of checkout in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you need to sign in with the help of your Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, it will be very easy for you to basically log in. You just have to click on the option of sign in with Microsoft and it is going to basically redirect you on the login page. You just have to provide your login credentials and log in into your account. So after sign in, simply complete the purchase if you don't already own the game. If you have purchased Minecraft before, it will basically recognize your account already. So once you are done, the launcher will be activated for you after you make the purchase. So instead of the buy option, you will see the download option over here. Simply click on the option of download and you need to download the Minecraft launcher. Once it is installed successfully, you just have to launch Minecraft, log in here with the help of your Minecraft Java Edition login credentials, and then simply hit the play button in order to play the game. So this way you will be able to basically download Minecraft without any confusion. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.